Hey guys, how's it going? It's your mom's favorite realtor, Eric Landry, here with the Eric Landry team, Keller Williams, Jacksonville Realty, and I'm coming at you with the market stats for January of 2024 all the way through June 2024. So we're looking for that trend right now. We're looking to see which direction is the market going. It's easy to have outliers from one month to another, 1 week to another, but what's the market told us in the last 6 months? Pretty neat stuff, so let's jump right in. Right now, our median sales have slowly been climbing. We're seeing the median sales price is still kind of eking up a little bit. I mentioned in the last video with the June market stats that our median sales price is a little bit flat month over month, but we're still up over last year. So that's pretty interesting. The next stat is going to help make that even more interesting. So you're looking at the median price per square feet. Again, still continues to climb. Things are still, a little warm there. We're still seeing more expensive stuff, prices climbing all the time here in our area. And that doesn't look like it's going to be changing anytime soon. So take a look at the next slide here. Closed sales. Closed sales, we had a spike early in the spring, and that has fallen off a little bit coming into the summer, which is surprising. Maybe alarming, I don't know yet, but we will see what's going to happen with our closed sales. We're going to see if we continue to soften. I mentioned the absorption rate in the last video, and our absorption rate right now in the Northeast Florida area is about 4.5 months, meaning if no other new homes came on the property or on the market, no new listings came on at all, how long would it take at the current sales pace to sell everything we have in the inventory? Everything that's, for sale in Northeast Florida, how long would it take to sell? Right now, we're sitting at almost 4.5 months. 6 months is a balanced market. Anything more than 6 months is going to be more of a buyer's market. Anything less than 6 months is going to be a little bit more of a seller's market. We had a time here during the COVID boom where our absorption rate was about 2.5 weeks. So we've gone from 2.5 weeks to 4.5 months. I've seen the absorption rate as high as 18 months. I've been in this game for a while now. So in the 08, 09 type of time frame when we were really at the bottom, we were looking at like 18 months worth of inventory. It was a buyer's paradise and a seller's nightmare. So I'm hoping we can get, right about where we're at now, maybe, in that 6-month range where we have a balanced market where the buyers and the sellers don't really have a distinct advantage over the other. And I think it just makes things a little more stable. Median days on market. January, obviously, we had a big spike there. I'm not sure what happened in January for the median days on market to sit, other than the fact that January would typically be a bit of a slow month. It has dropped off early in the year, and it started to climb up a little bit again. So I think having the absorption rate climbing is contributing to that. I do think that, if the property's priced right, it's going to still sell quickly. But if sellers are still out there fishing, they're kind of casting that line out, that price out, and then slowly reeling it back to get to where people start making offers, that's slowing a little bit. Active inventory. Active inventory has stayed overall fairly stable. It spiked last month a little bit, but our active inventory, compared to like January, February, March, is fairly in line. So we're not seeing like... where I start getting concerned is we're seeing more and more and more listings coming, sitting on the market. So we start to see, we have 5,000 homes for sale. Oh, we have 6,000 homes for sale. Oh, we have 7,000 homes for sale. Then that starts getting alarming because your absorption rate is going to be just getting wild. Your absorption rate is going to be just growing tremendously. And you're going to end up with, a buyer's market if that continues to happen. New listings have actually fallen recently. They spiked up probably, it looks like April was the peak of new listings, which is typically what we would see. We would say April, May, again, as the summertime rolls around, it starts getting hotter here. We see more people moving. So, we're not seeing quite as much of that right now. We're in June with these numbers, I should say, and it's just showing that the market is a little bit softer. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens when we get the next final Q3's numbers in. I'm going to do another one of these videos with quarters 1 through 3, so we can continue to kind of see trend lines, see if there's anything that makes sense to you guys. Hopefully all of this is helpful and can help you make an informed decision when buying or selling here in the Northeast Florida area. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Like, follow, and subscribe for more. Try to produce great content for you guys, just something that's interesting, something that's informative. Some of the stuff is funny. Some of the stuff is more like this and more informational. So we try to do it all, have a good time here while we're doing it. And real estate is endlessly fascinating. So love what we do. And let me know if I can help. You guys have a great day and we'll talk soon. Bye.